Okay, so dunes are something that we see on many of the planets of our solar system. So right now, I'm at some of the most famous dunes in North America, which is White Sands. And I can't tell you how strange and amazing and actually texture-wise how different the dunes are here, because this is gypsum and most dunes on Earth are actually from silicon, so like what you think of as sand. This stuff, the texture is so different. It really doesn't feel like sand at all. It's a lot harder, more compact, and it's soft. It's really quite hard to describe. Some of the dunes that we find on other planets, dunes like on Mars, are often very similar to the ones on Earth. The ones that we observe on planets like Titan and Pluto seem to be methane sand, if you can really even call it sand. Now, when you study dunes, it can actually tell you a lot about the climate and the weather patterns of the area where you're looking, because the shape of the dunes themselves, I don't know how much the camera is really going to pick up here, but the shape is caused by the wind, and so you can tell what direction the prevailing wind is. You can tell a lot about the strength of it over time, and actually dunes migrate as well. So places like Mars that we've actually got orbiters in space, we can learn a lot by looking at those dune fields, just from the flybys from or the flyby from Pluto, or some of what we've been able to see on Titan can tell us so much. And places like this on Earth can be great analogs for us to study, because here on Earth we can come down and we can look at a place like this from the ground, and then we can also look at what it looks like from our satellite imagery. So it's really valuable for space scientists and astrogeologists in particular to visit and study locations like this, places like this on Earth.